Jaime's pointy nipples were used by Samsung to cut out their Infinity O LEDs for the Galaxy S10. No. Why is there so much envy for my amazing physique? Right. Earlier I was walking by Jaime at CES when he just happened to be recording for this particular video, and he legit farted and had to reshoot the segment he was talking about. Dude, please do not blame me for what you did. I smelled you.
What?
Jaime, you need to create more social media accounts so we can hear your name more at the end. That's right, it's that time of the week. I am Jaime Rivera. This is Pocketnow, and this is the Pocketnow Daily Recap. Your comments for last week, and I apologize. It's noisy, it's raining outside. So the question on Monday was the Galaxy S10 and its possible variants. We hear that there are up to 5. I told you about the options. I asked you what you thought. We had 351 comments. Samsung thinks it's the end of the world. The company might not, but it's actually not a bad idea to launch as many phones as they can. At least one of them will stick, given the fumble that Apple's going through. S10 Lite Plus Normal 5G 10-year anniversary version. That's probably the name for one if it were on Sprint, I think. S10, S10 Plus, S10 Pro 5G, S10 Active, S10 Lite. Oh my god, can you imagine if they brought back the Active? I would love that. Then on Tuesday, the topic was a possible notchless iPhone future, as apparently there is this company that's building some technology that Apple will use, according to them. We have 392 comments. I asked you what you thought. Wouldn't it be hilarious if Apple added a fingerprint sensor on the back to remove the notch? Oh my god. I can't wait for that. On an iPhone or any other device, a notchless world is a better world. Totally up for that, definitely. Notchless world and headphone jack. Notchless don't matter anymore. What matters is low price phones with great features. True that, if they can get their cameras right. That's really the biggest hurdle with phones that are less expensive. Then on Wednesday, the topic was the Galaxy F. Apparently, it was showcased yet again privately to people. I'm not on the list. I can promise it. I'm not going to come up with stories later. I haven't seen it. I asked you, are you excited about it? We had 383 comments. They'll find a way to make us drool about the foldable screen for sure. Marketing is a power monster. Yes, it is a power monster, but they don't always get it right. And I still feel that this is a solution in search of a problem. I think Galaxy F is the future. Every great product's first iteration will not always be great. True, if there were a purpose. I mean, have you heard the rumors of a possible LG Snap-on product where you have the phone screen and then you attach another one? I feel that that's a smarter idea so you don't carry, the bulk of an extra screen when you don't need to. Foldable phone means a large screen that fits in my pocket, means it will solve my problem. Dude, sure, if only they figured out how to make that thing thin, and battery technology hasn't gotten any better, which is what makes a product thick. And then Wednesday, we covered something we never expected to see, iPhones getting less expensive in China. I asked you what you thought about that. We had 484 comments. $50 only? That's the price change, not a drop. Apple is just trolling us. God, true that, man. You got those likes and you deserve them. The way iPhone sales are going down, Apple will soon discover oil, LOL. Oh my god. Alright, best comment of the week. I think 700 USD is the sweet spot for flagships. Dude, I do too. I mean, they were $650 just a few years ago. I think that fine, give $50 more, $700, that's okay. But I don't understand how they went from that to what they are now. And then finally, Friday, I mean, we've been covering triple cameras on the iPhone 11 Max for a while. Horrible humps and everything. I asked you, what do you think these cameras should do? We had 397 comments. That camera bump is hideous. Dude, I think it's too early for those designs, so I don't think that they're real, but who knows? 3 cameras on iPhone, 1 regular, 1 ultra wide, and 1 to look for disappearing sales. Alright. Well, it depends on the price, man. OMG, triple cameras on iPhones. This means iPhones are getting more expensive. I hope that's not going to be the case, truly. That's it for the Pocketnow Daily Recap. Thank you so much for watching. If you want your comments to be featured, keep them short, stick to the point, and try to get some thumbs up to help us spot them a lot easier. You can also follow us on social media. Subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.